So companies, the brands, sometimes face a lot of challenges in terms of acquiring a property. Challenge which you just can't imagine. I'll just share an example with you. Hello, I am Hitin Khanduja from Reality Handshake. Let me just take you through a recent example in terms of acquiring a property for a company, for a brand, for an organization. Company is looking for a particular property at a certain location. We are able to find out the required set of parameters for the company. But challenge, one property belongs to one family, multiple stakeholders in the property in terms of ownership. But the challenge is we found out a property. Around 70% of the property falls under a village Lal Dora kind of a jurisdiction, and rest of the property falls under the municipal limits. So now any company, any organization, any brand, whosoever acquires any property will definitely go in for the due diligence clearance. For that, we have to take the ownership document, title documents from the respective landlords. We managed to gather all the documents and submit it to the organization for due diligence clearances. After all the findings, company came back to us. We were the channel partners for them, seeking few clarifications on revenue papers. Many of the aspects were clarified from our internal in-house legal team, that this is how village Lal Dora property have these certain clauses as per which ownership is determined, and balance of the land portion, they are the normal registry documents and municipal corporation set of documents. It took a lot of time from us and from the company to come on a platform that this property belongs to a single family and titles are thoroughly cleared. Now, companies' operations teams, companies' commercial teams, companies' finance teams, they all are dependent upon their empaneled legal firm who is doing all the due diligence clearances on their behalf. After having so many conversations, lot many meetings, lot many words exchanged, that legal firm which has been appointed by the organization is not getting convinced. So we are offering a solution to the organization. The kind of legal firm which you have appointed, we can facilitate you with a local regional law firm, legal firm, who is doing such kind of legal search reports on the panels of many banks who are funding to the people for the sale purchase of the property. So now, company does not agree that we cannot go beyond our in-house legal firm which is working on their behalf. One more challenge here. There are few documents which are for the properties which falls under the jurisdiction of village limit or a Lal Dora properties, wherein we can get some ownership certification done from the respective villages Nambardar or Sarpanch, which can further be attested by the concerned district or Tehsildar or sub-registrar. Sometimes companies or your empaneled legal teams are very adamant that we just cannot go beyond these requirements, whereas the property is clear and we are unable to find any new other property because that area is a part of urban and rural combination of area. So all I would want to say is that if such kind of a scenario erupts, we should be flexible enough to take a consultation of the respective states, any reputed law firm, legal firm, who is on the panel of various banks, because banks are also funding only on behalf of the legal reports prepared by those law firms. So they are competent enough, and that kind of arrangements, if it may come, that should be accommodated. Thank you.